What's up YouTube, Richie Gail and Nadina. Today we're back on another video. Look how hot it is today, my fucking G. Everybody's out over the stadium enjoying a free day out, boy. Look at it, all the tourists in action. My dog's just like getting free treats off people. Hey, oh, go on.
Hi.
Look at him.
Yeah.
Loving life.
Silly?
She wants to go, let her go.
Now I've got to give it a treat off the lady.
Yeah, she wants to cool off.
Silly Billy.
This is what she does.
Silly?
Loving life,
She
loving
loves that
life,
more
my
than a
G.
treat.
Yeah, it cools down.
It's black now, look at all the soil on it.
Oh no, just dust off. Dust yourself off and try again.
Yeah,
Dust
like
yourself
this.
off and try again. Try again.
Look, I'll give it
But
to
boy, it's a lovely day today. Just chilling in the little
it now.
stadium.
There you go.
Next something to do. You know what I mean? You got the Liverpool gym up there, the abseiling. You got the Champions Wall over there. You got the Liverpool shop where you can go and buy any Liverpool kits or sportswear. But yeah, this is the main stand. LFC, the Kenny Dalglish, the Cop main stand. Yeah. Woohoo! Look at the sky, how clear it is.
Beautiful.
Stay there. Put your sunglasses down. Took a picture. In it, I'm falling in love. Just keep that for the OnlyFans, babes. Jokes. We ain't on no OnlyFans shit. We're just chilling. Just chilling, my G. They're tourists. Look. This is where I live. This is where I live. Look. Down this lane. Down there. Down there. Take a. See it? Through that lane. The old people over there. Good job I put that sun thingy on today. Started off my day right. Litre of Volvic. Gotta keep yourself hydrated in this weather, boy. The old people. Yes. See, that's a good dog owner right there, my wife. Keeping water for the dogs on site.
How's you doing this heat?
Yeah, you really need it, look. He likes you. Get him before he goes walking wonders. Yeah, if you do it by there, look, it's in the shade.